Okay, so we have a physics question that says study the diagram showing the radioactive emission. Radioactive emission, these are forms of particles or energy which have been released from radioactive elements. Radioactive elements, these are unstable elements which naturally and spontaneously break to release these particles or energy. For example, we may talk about uranium, okay? Now, let's say we complete the diagram given, this diagram here. Now, as you can see that these are the symbols for the radioactive emissions. There are only three. This one is known as the alpha, this one is known as the beta, this one is known as the gamma. Now, let us start. When we talk about the alpha, this is the helium nucleus with a very weak penetration power such that it can be stopped by a sheet of paper. Now, this one here, its nature is what? Helium nucleus. Don't say helium atom, no, helium nucleus. When I say helium nucleus, simply means that it contains only the protons and the neutrons. So what is the nature here? It is the helium nucleus. How about the charge? We know that the helium nucleus consists of two protons, so meaning that the charge will be what? Positive, two there. Now, when it comes to the beta, a beta is a fast moving electron, meaning that what's its nature here? It's electron. Now, what is the charge of an electron? It's -1. Not only that, the beta particle has a weak penetration power such that it can be stopped by aluminium, which is a metal. Now, when you talk about this one, the gamma, a gamma, these are forms of radiations or forms of electromagnetic, such that they cannot be deflected or bent by the electric or magnetic field. Why? Because its mass is very low, or it's nearly to zero. It's very small to be considered to be a mass. So how about its nature? It's electromagnetic. How about the charge? The charge there, it is zero. That's why it cannot be deflected by the electric or the magnetic field.